Welcome to Montavilla's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
This is one of our favorite traditions because it gives us a chance to celebrate the best sewing community anywhere, you.
Let's talk about giveaways, because this year we're going to give away about $3,000 worth of prizes to show just how much we appreciate you.
And entering is super easy. Every day you shop at Montavilla Sewing through December 20th, you have an entry to win the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
And the giveaways start on December 8th, so let's get shopping.
Go to montavillasewing.com/12 days.
Merry Christmas.
And happy sewing.
Welcome to day 5 of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. We're still here at our beautiful Lake Oswego store.
And today is all about decorative stitching and embellishment, featuring not one, but two amazing machines from Baby Lock, the Sashiko and the Applaud.
The Sashiko gives you that gorgeous hand-stitched look with zero hand stitching, and the Applaud is fantastic for creative, decorative finishes and adding flair to your projects.
And our giveaway today is our Baby Lock organizer, valued at $80, perfect for storing thread, notions, scissors,
and your secret emergency chocolate. And joining us today is Irina, who you may have seen on Hello Rose City. She's kind of famous, and we're very proud.
So let's jump in and celebrate day 5. So today I'm interviewing Irina.
Yes.
This is day 5 at the Lake Oswego store.
Yes.
And Irina, in just a short sentence or two, how did your sewing journey begin in life?
I was very little, and I always liked to sew. I remember watching my mom sew, and I remember memory of looking at the big sewing machine, and she was sewing, and like machine seemed to be so big. It was treadle. So obviously I was very small, and I just wanted to, to sew. And my mother gave me pins and needles and fabrics.
Now you've been here at Montavilla for how long now?
Almost 14 years.
14 years, and for the last, 5 or 6 years, you've been our event coordinator?
On and off since 2015.
Yeah, wow. Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Now, today we're going to talk about two very special machines.
Very special machine. I love them very much.
These are both by Baby Lock.
Yes.
And this is the Baby Lock Sashiko and the Baby Lock Applaud.
Correct.
And these are amazing machines. They do some amazing things.
They're a good pair. They're surprisingly very good pair. Sashiko came out in 2009. But Applaud we got just 2 years ago.
Right.
And if you love to create texture on fabrics or put any additional touches on whatever you do, it can be quilting, as we can see, it can be stockings, garments, this is it. It creates very beautiful finish.
Quickly show us some of the things that you have done with the Sashiko.
Sashiko is the machine that creates stitch and space. It replicates old Japanese technique that people in Japan, ladies in Japan, stitched by hand for centuries. And there is a very lovely story behind this machine. Engineer who created this machine actually created for his wife who could not do it by hand anymore. So, and as a result, he gave her a machine. And now we're fortunate enough to use it. So, stitch and space. You can control how big stitches are, how big space is, and that's pretty much it. But again, it gives that beautiful, very unique finish. And a lot of very high-end garments have that inside in their linings. You know, quilting, beautiful quilting finish can be done. And Applaud is a cover stitch machine. It's a practical machine for anybody who sews garments and active wear. But with Applaud, you also have a decorative stitch because of very unique design of the foot. And there are two little arms that kind of bring decorative thread in front of the needles, and needles secures it to the fabric. Therefore, you can create beautiful decorative effect. You can do applique with the stitch. You can do 2-needle cover stitch with decorative thread. You can do chain stitch. And in chain stitch, it will be woven. It will be like braided between stitches, decorative thread. Again, creates beautiful decorative effect. That's it. And
So, I ask everyone, what is your favorite Christmas memory? Do you have a favorite Christmas memory?
It's a tough one because I don't exactly know, I guess. Maybe when I came to US, no, honestly, when I visited Germany once, and for the first time I saw what Christmas market can be. And that was maybe the brightest, how everything is super decorated. It's something that where I come from did not exist exactly for Christmas. So, and maybe that would be the brightest. That's how I got to know what Christmas is.
Okay.
So.
How old were you when that happened?
About 19, 20.
Okay. So which code word do we have today for
I choose the code word to be peace.
peace? Yeah, we could use some peace on earth, couldn't we?
Absolutely.
Okay, well, thank you for joining us for day
Thank you.
5.
Thank you.
That wraps up day 5. A huge thank you to Irina for showing us the Baby Lock. Sashiko and Applaud are 2 fantastic machines for beautiful embellishments.
The Sashiko gives you that hand-stitched look, and the Applaud makes your projects come to life.
And don't forget, today's giveaway is a Baby Lock organizer of $80 value.
You can fit so much in this thing that it holds notions, patterns, and possibly some pumpkin pie.
Don't forget, every purchase made during a holiday sale enters you to win.
Check your email tomorrow and remember the code word. The code word is peace.
And we'll see you tomorrow for day 6.
Yeah.